Welcome to Kitchen Karma. In this video, I'll show you how to make Indian filter coffee with Udhayam and Folgers coffee powder blend. This is Udhayam coffee powder from India. It has 80% coffee plus 20% chicory. This we got from one of the local Indian store. This is Folgers classic roast coffee powder. It's available in Walmart and many other big grocery store. This is Udhayam coffee powder. As you can see, it is fine in texture. And this is Folgers. Compared to Udhayam, it is coarse in texture. We also use 3.25% lactose-free milk. Here the brand is natural, but you can get in any other brands also, or you can use just ordinary milk. This is Jaggery from India. It is also called as cane sugar. And we use this, but if you want, you can also use white sugar, or if you like your coffee to be plain without any sweet taste to it, you can just make plain coffee. And this is available in Walmart or any other local Indian store. This is Indian coffee filter in stainless steel. It has 4 parts to it. I'll show you each one by one rather. This is the lid. This is like an umbrella which has some holes to it. This is the top container which also has some holes. This is the bottom container, and then we go back like this, put back. So together it's a coffee filter. The Indian coffee filter is available in any local store, or you can even order online from Amazon. Now I'm going to put 3 spoons of Udhayam coffee powder. So this is 1 tablespoon into the filter. 1. And this Folgers, I'm going to use half of that, whatever I use. That means 1.5. So this is 1. This is just half of this. Now I'm going to take this one and put on this coffee powder inside the filter and tap a little bit so that they settle down. They stick to each other, the coffee powder particles. Now I'm going to pour boiled water into this filter. So I'm going to pour full. So I'm going to stop and close the lid. Then I had to wait for about 10-15 minutes for the coffee to get filtered and drip into the bottom container. Let's see if it is good to go now. Let me open the lid. You can see it's almost ready except for little water left. So this has collected the coffee, filtered coffee. So let me take out the top portion. Because it's so hot, I'm going to use one clean kitchen towel to take it aside, to take out and put it aside. So I'm going to just put it on a separate cup. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to pour this coffee into the cup in which I'm going to make coffee. So I'm not going to use all. So you can see I'm using this much, and it is optional about how strong or how light you want coffee. Accordingly, you have to mix with milk. Now I'm going to pour milk into this cup where coffee is already there. So I'm going to make only this much. That is how strong I drink. So if for you it is stronger, you can pour some more milk, or if you want more stronger, you can put some more coffee. So now I'm heating the coffee in a pot and also pouring some jaggery. So I use this much. So whatever you want, you can add. So I'm going to heat up this until it becomes steaming hot. Now I'm going to mix in the cup because I have put jaggery. It has not melted. So if you pour like this, you get lather. Some people like coffee with lather. So you can do that or repeat it for some time, then you get this. So I'm going to heat up more until it becomes steaming hot. I like it to be very hot. So coffee is ready now. As you can see, it is steaming hot. So I'm going to pour into the cup. As you can see, there is a lot of lather or foam. This is the cup in which I drink my coffee daily. I really like the white color and the small flowers and leaves, and the handle is very comfortable to hold hot coffee because I drink fuming or steaming hot coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video because I start my day with a cup of steaming coffee. Thanks for